Hey guys, good morning. Just a little bit of an update for you on what's going to happen for the week of May 4th through May 8th, and make sure you know what's going on. So I hope everybody is doing well. We should get a little bit of sunshine this weekend and hopefully have a little bit of a better week this next week. You've been doing a really fantastic job in this financial statement section. So at this point, you've done your balance sheet, which is taking a look at our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. And you've also done your income statement. So nice work on those two sections. And on that income statement, companies are going to be able to see the revenue that they have coming in. So that's the money that they're making. And then they're also going to subtract their expenses and find out if they've got a net profit or if they actually have a net loss. So although you're doing these, in a little bit of a basic way, at least it gets you kind of thinking to see how these different things are going to all work out and keep together. What we have going on this week is going to be the end of our financial statements activity, and it's going to be called our cash flow statement. So that's really something that's important for companies because with their cash flow, a lot of times what will happen is looks like they've got all this stuff that they're selling and they've got these bills that they have to pay, but really when push comes to shove, their money is all tied up and they don't actually have cash, literally cash in the account that they can use to purchase new merchandise, that they can use to purchase supplies, that they can use to pay salaries, and all those different things. So it actually is a really important thing that companies are going to take a look at. So you can see real quick what we have going on this week. We've got our online learning plan due on Monday, as always. And then this week we actually have three things, but I will tell you these are three very, very short things. And that's why I gave those to you. So the first thing we've got is a little bit of a wrap up of our balance sheet and our income statement. Then we've got a little bit of information on cash flows. It says a quiz, but of course at this point in the game, I think you guys know, everything is going to be like an open note kind of thing like that, just information based. And then we're going to wrap up with that cash flow statement activity and get you kind of messing around with that a little bit, see how you're doing. So I hope that everybody is healthy and I hope that you're getting outside a little bit and a few of those different things. We've had a little excitement over here. That's a little bit of an exaggeration, but my dishwasher leaked and I now have a big chunk out of the middle of my kitchen floor. And if it's not a chunk out of there now, only they can't come and do anything about it for at least 2 weeks to wait till everything dries. So I don't know if you have any exciting stuff like that going on, but that's what's going on over here at the Lil household. So I hope you guys are doing well and finding stuff to keep you busy on Netflix and different things like that. I started a Couch to 5K, so I'm in week 4 of my Couch to 5K. Watch out, Boston Marathon. So anyhow, reach out to me if you guys have anything you want to work on, ask any questions, or if you want to chat about. I hope some of you submitted sticker designs, and I would love to see some of you compete in that new contest called I Love DECA. It can be anonymous if you would like to do that. The due dates for that are going to be Thursday, May 7th. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.